So, good evening, Assalamu alaikum, hi everyone. Today I will just make a video on an electronic mall, Mumbai brand. It's not a brand of Mumbai but the entire India. And I will show you one location which is the luckiest location here. So stay tuned with me. This is Mohsin Agwan from abmworld.com, WORLDS World. So in front of me this is very popular Ganesha Mandir. You can say Siddhi Vinayak Mandir of Prabha Devi. This is very luckiest place where people believe. And it's true that the worship comes through. So many Bollywood stars including Amitabh Bachchan come walking from Juhu Beach, like almost 15-20 kilometers walking here without the sleepers, you can say, in the leg, to fulfill their dreams. So this is the biggest mandir ever for Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, Ganesh Chaturthi. So in front of that I will just show you, this is Vijay Sales, a small mall of 3 floors, 1, 2, 3. So this is a mall of 3 floors. Every Sunday there is almost every Sunday, you can say, there is a one-day offer only for today. Walk in now, right? So this is a mall, you can say, itself, and Vijay Sales is located everywhere in Bombay. There are more than 100 of stores only in Mumbai, right? Their sales and service are very good. Brand reputation is good. And they have parking also here. Big backside there is a parking for bikes, car, and here also in front there is a car parking, huge car parking. So many people comes and visit over here. I buy from Vijay Sales only on my electronics appliances because after sales service is also very good. So I will just take you to have a look, and it's lucky also here beside the Siddhi Vinayak Mandir. So I just wanted to have a look inside also, and we'll show you one unboxing of Redmi Xiaomi phone of MI Note 11i. So this is the counter, billing counter over here. There are lots of good offers on credit cards. You can check out the credit card offers. It keeps on changing every month. This is the billing desk, and this is the 3-4 floor where you can see the guidelines. What is there on the first floor, second floor. I will show you on the first floor. This is LED smartphone, camera accessories, and first floor refrigerator, air conditioned fans. Then laptop on the second floor, audio video washing machine, and the third floor is kitchen, chimney, small pots, pan. There is a lift, transparent lift also going from here, and there is a staircase also. It's a big staircase, you can see, to walking. So this was the thing, and we'll show you the unboxing of this. You see, here there is work hard, play hard, the lobby. There are many smartphones over here, including iPhones and many brands. Dummy pieces also there. So I'll show you one unboxing of Xiaomi Note 11i. You stay tuned with me. So we'll show you the unboxing video of Redmi Note 11i. So we are unboxing it right now. So this is Redmi Note 11i, Xiaomi phone. Just show you the box. Black matte finish. Good packing. It's a premium packing of Xiaomi 11i 5G. Right? So we come inside. This is the box, I think, so cover. Okay, this is the mobile cover, and this is the mobile phone. Right, white color, pearl white. See, this is the packaging. It comes with the packing. Right? Yeah, nice phone. I'll show you the close-up. Yeah, good color phone. Yeah, this is the charger. There is no headphone inside. Fast charger, 67 volt fast charging. Okay, scratch guard is attached already. There is no need to attach the scratch guard, and we can put it in the cover. The backside cover is there already. So we have a cover also coming with the, but it gets yellow very soon. I don't know why company is doing white color which gets yellow. So there's a transparent cover, so that the phone is protected. So this comes free with the box inside, right? So this is the phone, backside nice color. So we have chosen this for unboxing. Okay, so we are going to start it. Choose the language, settings, regions, and everything. You can see from the top, right? And there's a Wonder Chef we have unboxing tool with this, but it's normal, so there's no need, like you have to select a Wi-Fi, skip Google services, next, okay, next, I agree, this is setup completed, okay. So this is a normal setup I showed you. So do like and share my videos on my YouTube channel. Do visit my website abmworldsworlds.com and visit my social media pages. See you in the next video. Goodbye.